You guys want to be content rock stars, and I'm here to help you. We're talking another fun content topic, national days of the month, and how to use them in all of your marketing. We're going to kind of talk about that today. But hey, it's Shannon with Shannon Lee Strategy. I'm here to help you simplify your online strategy in under 10 hours a month. I do that for through coaching and strategy execution. I help small businesses become less overwhelmed when it comes to their online marketing so they can get back to doing the things they love and making money. All right, so we're talking a content piece I love, and it's National Days of the Month. It's the first thing that I check when I start my own content and working with my strategy clients. A little story, I used this in the very beginnings of my social media marketing, web marketing career. I just Googled National Days of the Month for, say, October, November, wrote them down that were particularly of interest of the business I was working with, and we focused our web content on those items. So I'm going to kind of walk you through what I do and how to use them. I've used these to fill up a restaurant and sell out pizza for National Pizza Day. I've used this to promote beer and donuts. So this is kind of a fun thing to implement in your marketing, to have some fun. And just remember, have fun with it. Did I say have fun with it? All right, so check these days before the relevant month. So it's October, so let's go and check November. Google National Days of the Month, you'll find tons of calendars out there and resources for this. Only use the days that are relevant for the business you work in. If your business has nothing to do with cats and dogs, and I know that cats and dogs are cute, don't use cats and dogs. But if cats and dogs are relevant to your business, use content around cats or dogs, because people just, love cats and dogs. But only use relevant content. Focus on the days that offer value around telling a story, a discount, things that you can use on your website, things you can use in your email marketing. Say you're a restaurant that serves pizza and National Pizza Day is coming up. Offer a discount for National Pizza Day. Send it out in an email. Create tons of content around it. Get some buzz. Post it on your blog. These are ways to use National Days of the Month. Use them sparingly. Don't use them every day. All right? Pick maybe 4 a month to use and develop some content around it. The whole point of National Days of the Month is just to keep you consistent in all of your marketing. And if you're developing your marketing 3 months in advance, look at the National Days of the Month 3 months in advance. It will remind you that, Thanksgiving is coming up, or Veterans Day, or the first day of fall, things like that. Create original content, avoid stock. And what I mean is take the necessary pictures or make graphics around these days. Just don't use stock. Just create some fun things around it. So your action item, go look at the days of the month, the National Days of the Month, and pick a couple to work with and tag me. I want to see you using them not only in your social media, but in your email marketing and on your website too. If you need anything else, you know where to find me. Have a great day.